How to delete a track in GarageBand. All right, so there is no obvious buttons here to say delete. So what it is that you want to tap on the track you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete that track, and you want to tap on this little sidebar here. And when you tap on the sidebar, or if you double tap the track itself, this up here will show up. There's your delete button, and then you just simply hit delete. Now, if you made a mistake and you didn't want to delete, then here's the redo button right up here. And that brings back your track right there. So never worry if you feel that you deleted by accident. You still got the redo button right there. Now, if you wanted to add another track, now let's delete this one just for an example. Let's delete that one. Okay. Now, you want to add another track, you just hit this plus button right here, and then you'll be able to pick whatever track that's going to be, whether it's a keyboard or any of these different, it can be drums, any of these basically. So let's just go back and let's just undo, because I do want to keep that solo guitar track, and that's how you delete a track in GarageBand.